नेक्स्ट वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक जो मैं बता रहा हूं और इसको आपको ढंग से रिवाइज करना है, वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। हर चैप्टर में डिफरेंशिएशन इंटीग्रेशन का यूज है। अगर आप कॉन्फिडेंट फील नहीं कर रहे हो डिफरेंशिएशन इंटीग्रेशन का यूज करने में, तो उसको प्रैक्टिस करिए, बढ़िया से प्रैक्टिस करिए। एवरीवेयर यू विल फाइंड इट, ओके, इन ऑलमोस्ट ऑल टॉपिक, ओके। और ये सिर्फ फिजिक्स में नहीं, फिजिकल केमिस्ट्री में भी हेल्प करेगा। और मैथ्स में, इन मैथ्स in 12th class you will learn differentiation integration in very deep, okay, deeply you will learn, okay। तो वो that will be useful in maths। for physics आपको एप्लीकेशन आने चाहिए, मीनिंग नहीं भी पता हो तो एप्लीकेशन आना चाहिए, हाउ यू आर यूजिंग डिफरेंशिएशन एंड इंटीग्रेशन। सो आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग, डिफरेंशिएशन इज यूज्ड टू फाइंड rate of change, or it is also called slope। These terms in class 11th you must have faced many times, okay। तो क्लास 11th में लोग को दिक्कत होती है, बहुत दिक्कत होती है, पहली बार पढ़ते हैं, लेकिन 12th में आप यू कांट मेक सच एक्सक्यूजेस, ओके। आपको करना ही है, अगर आपको फिजिक्स में अच्छा स्कोर करना है, कॉन्फिडेंट फील रखना है, ठीक है, तो करना ही पड़ेगा इसको, आप इससे बच नहीं सकते। टू फाइंड रेट ऑफ चेंज और स्लोप, यूज टू फाइंड maximum and minimum values। Many times you have faced this word max. What is the maximum value, what is minimum value? By using differentiation, integration is used to find area enclosed, any graph is there, any graph is there, okay। Every time you cannot apply geometry to find area, okay। How will you do? You will integrate. Suppose I have to find this area, this function is fx, xy, this is x1 to x2, so what is this area? fx dx x1 to x2, integrate it, okay। And you must know integration of at least basic x power n dx, ये तो आना ही चाहिए। n plus 1 by n plus 1, putting the values x2 power n plus 1 by n plus 1 minus x1 power n plus 1 by n plus 1. Suppose I have to find out area under y equal to x square, y equal to x square graph, y equal to x square is this type of graph. I have to find area from 0 to this side also, 0 to 2, this area I have to find out. So how will I proceed? How will I proceed? Write function x square dx 0 to 2, x square is 2, using this formula, x3 by 3, limit 0 to 2, put value 2, 2 power cube by 3 minus 0 power cube by 3, 2 power cube 8, 8 by 3. This area is 8 by 3 unit. You must know how to find area enclosed, okay। और ये आपको फर्स्ट चैप्टर में ही बहुत बार मिलेगा ये, ओके। 11th में भी आपको बहुत बार मिल चुका है। Here to find rate of change, you know differentiation, how to do differentiation, dx n into x power n minus 1. So I am differentiating y equal to x square. For y equal to x square function, how will I differentiate? dy by dx equal to x square dx, use the formula 2x, it will come 2x. This is differentiation. But how to use? It is used to find rate of change or slope. Means find rate of change of given function y equal to x square at x equal to 1. X equal to 1, what is the rate? Okay, this is the rate 2x. Here put x equal to 1, where we have to find out. So it will come 2. The rate of change is 2 at x equal to 1. Okay. And slope, that is also slope. Slope is what? This is function of y equal to x square. This is point x equal to 2, suppose. At 2, put x equal to 2. आपको क्या मिलेगा? 2 का स्क्वायर 4. This value is 4. Value is 4, but rate of change is 2. How will you indicate rate of change here? You draw tangent at x equal to 2. You draw tangent at x equal to 2. This tangent will make angle theta at x equal to 2. This tangent with x-axis. Okay. So tan theta is called rate of change or slope of tangent or simply slope. Okay. It will come. This is the basic. Okay. To find rate of change, here area. Okay. In next video, I will tell you how to find maximum and